Good morning, students. Let us start today's online class. Today I am going to take explanation of grammar, chapter number 12. Already we have done. I am taking here 13, and this is mentioned here. And in this chapter, we have to study about the subject-verb agreement, because in subject and verb there is certain conditions when the verb agreed to live with the subject. There is already the subject and verbs are used together according the number and person of the subject. Already that all the English verbs are in a plural form. But while we use these verbs in singular form, we do some changes in it. And these changes are required to make the verb appropriate according the number and person of a subject. Here I am taking some examples. Some statements also given here, and according these statements we have to use the verb in singular and plural form in a sentences. Just like you see, subject verb agreement, already from this word it is coming out the agreement to live together. Just like we use here in common life also, if the persons are not agreed, they cannot live together. Here same thing happened with the verb and subject also. We are taking this one, just like first statement, what is, you have to listen properly. A verb changes with its subjects in number and person. If the subjects are plural number, we use singular subject or plural subject. If the subject is plural, we use here plural subject, and singular, in case of singular, we use here singular verb with the subject. Here, what is here? Singular verbs for singular subjects. If the subject is singular, so singular verb is used here, and if the subject is plural, we use here plural subject. Just like examples, you can see, what is this? Girl is very intelligent. This girl is very intelligent. So what are we looking in it? This girl means this word is indicating about one girl. This word is indicating about only one girl. So we are using here is helping verb. Is helping verb, because is indicating about one subject, and if one subject is there, we use here only is, and this girl already it is indicating only one girl is here. So in such condition we use here is a helping verb, and if there is a main verb also we use a singular form, because this is singular number subject. In second number we are looking, these girls are very intelligent. In second number you are looking here, these girls are very intelligent, means these word already and girls also given. This is showing a plural number, plural form of the subject, and if the plural form of the subject is here, so we use here are, which is indicating about the plural form of the verb. And this is used here, what is given? These girls are very intelligent. I hope it is confirmed to you. Once more I would like to recap this one. What is? Firstly, subject verb agreement. What are the conditions behind it? A verb changes with its subjects in number and person, means verbs changes, because already I have told you all the English verbs are in a plural form. While it is used according the number and person, it is also changing. Means according the number and person, it is changing here. First statement here, singular verb for singular subject and plural verb for the plural subject. And here examples also, this girl is very intelligent, and second number, these girls are very intelligent. Students, after this I am taking next also third number rule. Third number rule I am taking. What is third number rule? We have to go through. Remember that we use am, was, have with I, and are, were, have with you, as I am taking example. So I am taking this one. Next one also. Yes, students, I am taking third number, third point here. We have to keep in mind, we have to remember that what is here. Remember that we use am, was, have with I. There is what is singular number subject, and are, were, have with the you, means second person subject are these. We use here just like examples are given. I am satisfied with him. I am satisfied with him. I have a good picture book. What is second number I am taking? I have good picture book. Picture book. I have a good picture book. This is second number. Third number I am taking, children. What is third number? You were satisfied with him. Just like I am satisfied with him, here I am taking you were satisfied. You were satisfied with him. Like this we write. And fourth number subject, fourth number sentence we are taking here. What is coming out? You have a good picture book. Means both are coming same here. You have a good picture book. Good picture book. Good picture book. Like this we write here. Good picture book. So we are looking here. These sentences are which are comparing together. Means in first sentence what are we getting? I am satisfied with him. Means this is singular number subject I. And with the singular number subject I, we use here singular verb am. But in third number we are looking, you is a second person subject, may be plural number or singular number. So we use here what is commonly here plural number verb. In second number we are taking I. First person subject is here singular number. But here we take here you, second person subject, may be plural number. That is why we use here same verb in both conditions. So I think it is clear to you. I hope it is clear, confirm to you. Next one I am taking, children, fourth point. Point wise I am going to confirm to you. So you listen properly. In point number 4, what is given? Point number 4. I am going to take here. We use have with the following verbs and their negative and question forms. Means we use have. We use have with the following verbs, following words. You know? With the following verbs, following words also, just like you see. What are these? Number one, I'm taking number one, do, does, did. What is here? Do, does, did. Do, does, and did. Like this we use. Second number, must, need, dare. Must, need, dare. Like this. These group of the words are these: will, would, shall, should. Will, would, shall, should, should. Like these are also coming. Ought to, used to. We use here ought, O-U-G-S-T, ought to, and used to we use. And second now, can. What is can? Could, may, might. These forms we are coming here. May, might. When such form of the verbs are words coming here, we use here have, whether it is coming in negative form or question form. In all the conditions we use here have with these words, these verbs. This have is used here. I hope, student, this is confirmed to you, and we will take 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th point in next lecture. Till then you have to go through these points and try to understand it. We will meet you in next lecture. Till then, goodbye.